Facebook Marketplace has become one of the most powerful online sales channels, attracting millions of buyers every month and giving retailers a unique opportunity to expand their reach directly through social media. For e-commerce software providers, enabling Facebook Marketplace integration has quickly turned into a necessity rather than an option, as merchants increasingly expect to sell across all the platforms where their customers spend time. Facebook Marketplace integration is the process of connecting e-commerce software solutions such as order management systems, shipping software, multi-channel tools, or inventory platforms with Facebook's commerce ecosystem. Through such a connection, software vendors can empower their clients to manage product listings, update inventory information, import and process orders, adjust prices, and synchronize product details without leaving their system. This not only streamlines merchants' daily operations, but also ensures that their data remains accurate and consistent across sales channels. For e-commerce software providers, integrating with Facebook Marketplace is a way to stay competitive in a fast-changing industry and to meet the expectations of merchants who want to maximize their visibility across channels. It also helps increase customer loyalty, as merchants are far more likely to remain with a solution that allows them to manage all their sales channels from one place. The potential of this integration goes far beyond just connecting to one marketplace. It is about giving retailers the ability to manage their business more effectively and giving software vendors the chance to scale their solutions without the constant burden of custom development. However, developing an integration with Facebook Marketplace is a complex task. It requires considerable time and financial investment, followed by continuous monitoring and adjustments to maintain compatibility. For software providers, the challenge is even bigger because merchants rarely sell only on Facebook. They expect the same level of support for other popular platforms, such as Shopify, Amazon, eBay, and others. This is where API 2 Cart provides a more efficient and scalable solution. API 2 Cart offers a unified API that allows software providers to connect with Facebook Marketplace, as well as 60+ other e-commerce platforms and marketplaces, including Shopify, Magento, WooCommerce, Wix, Etsy, Shopee, and others at once, all through a single integration. Instead of building separate connections for each platform, software providers can use API 2 Cart to access and manage essential store data, such as products, orders, customers, inventory, shipments, and more. This approach not only speeds up time to market, but also allows e-commerce providers to focus on improving their core solutions, instead of spending resources on technical maintenance. For any software provider aiming to grow in today's multi-channel e-commerce environment, this approach provides the most efficient, cost-effective, and future-proof way forward. Contact us today and explore how to develop Facebook Marketplace integration via API 2 Cart easily. Upgrade your e-commerce integration and start your 14-day free trial via API 2 Cart right now.